On the CM900 machine I have a final section which are these stencil patterns. And again, these are great for home decor or fabric crafting. You can cut these from stencil sheets, which are available separately, or cut them indeed from some other material that you can then use as a stencil or an iron-on transfer perhaps. Lots of complicated designs here because we can work with quite fine materials when working with stencils. So I will choose this beautiful little teacup. Now we can't change the aspect ratio on this one, and we can't add a seam allowance. However, there are other creative options available to us, and we can change the overall height and width, and we can add more than one if we wish to. Once we've got those settings applied, we click Set, and that now positions the teacup on the working mat for us.